Hello and welcome to another episode of Linux Experiences in the On Deck series. Today I want to give you a little tutorial how to transfer files from your Steam Deck to any other device in your network. The only thing that it needs is an internet connection, but we are using Steam on the Steam Deck, which needs an online connection, so you probably have one. And you can transfer files to any other device, not only your PC, but also, for example, to your tablet or your mobile phone, and vice versa. Any device that has a browser. And this is an alternative to other solutions like Warpinator, because as far as I know, Warpinator is not available on iOS. But maybe let's first create a file. So I will connect with the Steam Link app to my deck, where I can show you how to create a log file for the maybe Proton GitHub tracker if you have an issue and want to transfer one of those files. So this is a use case for that. I open the properties of a game and enter the launch option Proton _log equals 1% command %. This is automatically saved. And if I now start the game, Steam will create a steam-app-id.log file, and that will be placed in your home directory. So let's fire up Everspace 2 here. We can immediately drop out of the game again. Because the log file has already been created. And now we have to switch to the desktop mode. Transferring files and accessing the browser. Even though you can access the browser from the Steam UI mode, for example Chrome, which can be installed through Steam as a non-Steam app, but you cannot access the file system. And maybe you want to transfer any other file that's somewhere located. So it might be easier to have the desktop mode anyway. So we switch to the desktop mode, which will disconnect my Steam Link app. Desktop mode is starting. And it will reconnect as soon as Steam is started. Or I have to reconnect it manually once. And now we have the desktop here. Firefox is pre-installed. It does work, of course, also with Chrome, but Firefox is pre-installed if you don't have installed Chrome yet. And in the address bar, you enter snapdrop.net. You bring up the on-screen keyboard in the desktop UI mode as well as in the gaming mode with steam.x. The issue here is at the moment that Steam does crash when it's connected with a Steam Link app. And that's why I cannot show you that. As I have entered this already, it will show up here for you if you are not using the Steam Link app or have it in big picture mode, because it would bring up the big picture mode keyboard. That's a bug and has to be fixed. So I can select this from here because I've entered that already. And there are other keyboards available as well. And once the page is opened, you can add this as a bookmark. And then it's a little bit easier to access this the next time. And if this menu button or the menu bar here is not showing, you can right click on the empty space here and enable the menu bar. And with that, you can add snapdrop.net as a bookmark. Now I see that no other device is currently visible in my network, but I have my browser here on the desktop, snapdrop.net. And now we see already a device. So I see beige camel, which is my Ubuntu on my desktop PC with Ubuntu, and I see teal Tyrannus, which is the Steam Deck. And now if I want to transfer a file, the mentioned file is the steam-1128920.log file, which is the app ID of Everspace 2. This is located in my home folder, and I can select that by double-clicking here on the PC I want to send that file to. So I double-click, I select this, click open, and then on my PC I see that the file is being received. I can save that, and I've transferred that. It works that easy, nothing extra to install, just an internet connection. And if you're paranoid and don't trust snapdrop.net, it's open source. You can even host it locally, but there are no files uploaded or downloaded to their servers. It's only opening the web page to connect your devices between each other. I think this is totally fine. So it's probably the easiest way, without installing any extra stuff, to transfer files between any of your devices. As said, it also works with your mobile phone. So if you want to transfer a picture to your Steam Deck or from your Steam Deck to your phone, that works as well. And I think that's the easiest way. I hope this helps you to transfer your files. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next video. Have a good one and bye-bye.